The ad creative process is fragmented. It's a complete mess. A mix of endless tabs, scattered screenshots, multiple apps, and disorganized or broken links from ads that have been paused. This chaos makes collaboration tough and it slows down the creative work. GetAds is an ad creative workflow app designed to unify and streamline every step of the ad creative research, planning, and collaboration process. With GetAds, saving inspiration from Meta and TikTok is as simple as a click. Organize your finds with custom tags, discuss creatives directly in your workspace, and find all the inspiration for your next winning ad. I'm here to show you how GetAds transforms the chaos into a streamlined workflow, making ad creative development and team collaboration seamless and efficient. Ready to revolutionize your ad creative workflow? Let's dive in. As soon as you're all signed up to GetAds, you're going to want to download the Chrome extension. The Chrome extension is what powers GetAds. It's what you're going to be using to save ads from Meta, TikTok, and in the future from other ad platforms. Once you have it installed, you're going to be able to see your workspace and boards that you can set as default boards. In this scroll, you're going to be able to see all of the boards that you've created. On top of that, you can create a new board directly from here. So if you don't have a board already for a dedicated type of creative, you can create it. It's going to be saved onto your dashboard as well. Within the Chrome extension, you're able to directly click into whatever ad library you want, either Meta or TikTok, which is what we're supporting right now. But in the future, you'll be able to see other ad libraries as well. Right now, let's dive into Meta. Now we're inside the Meta ad library and we have our Chrome extension installed. Once you're there, look up your favorite brand or whatever brand you want to look for ads and scroll down. And all you have to do is click Save to get ads. So you can see that we have this here, but you can also select a different board if that's what you want to do. All of your boards that you've created are going to show up there, and you can just scroll down and look for whatever inspiration you're looking for and just go ahead and save them. So let's say this was a good ad and we want to save it to the DTC board. We'll go ahead and save it there. We'll head back to the dashboard, go to our DTC folder, and we're going to see that ad directly saved right here. So you can see that it's here. And now when we click into it, we get all the metadata. We get the landing page, the CTA, the platforms, when it was saved, when it started running, the source, the ad ID, the Facebook page, the amount of likes that the page has. You can add custom tags. You can download, and you can add comments as well, which we'll talk about in just a sec. Saving ads from TikTok is essentially the same thing. You want to click on the Chrome extension, open up TikTok, which I've already done to save some time. You go here. I've already selected e-commerce for direct to consumer, and we'll see that this ad looks good. It's one of the most favorites, so it's got to be a good thing. We'll go ahead and click that. And within TikTok, you're gonna find the overlay as well with all your boards, very similar to what you see on Facebook. We'll click save, and you're also gonna be able to get all of this metadata right inside your dashboard as well. So we'll go back here. We'll go back to DTC, and we'll see that TikTok ads was saved. We'll go ahead and click it, and you'll see all that metadata. So you see the number of likes, comments, shares, click-through rate, and what budget it has. You also be able to download, embed, share, add tags, and comment. Now let's talk about some higher level items like your dashboard. Inside of your dashboard, for the time being, you're only going to be able to see the ads that you've saved. So when you first sign up, this is going to be empty. We're working on some cool update where you're going to be able to see all the ads that the entire user base has saved. So you have access to thousands and thousands of ads. For now, you'll be able to see the ads that you've saved, when it was saved, and also click into any of these. You can comment directly from here and also see what boards they are part of. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, ad packs. Ad packs are a set of curated ads from our team that we found to be very good within a specific categories or themes. So you can see here that we have B2B tech, gifting ads, healthy eats, product samples, iPhone notes, athleisure, and a bunch of others. If you click into one of them, you're going to be finding ads that fit that criteria. So for example, let's go into the gifting ads, and you're going to see a bunch of ads that ran during the holiday season for, instead of somebody purchasing for themselves, it's for purchasing for other people that they wanted to potentially gift something for. And you have a bunch of ads there to potentially give you ideas for your next gifting campaign, for your next, whatever campaign you might be running. There might be an ad pack for it. And we're constantly working on curating these ads to make sure that you have something set to gather inspiration from. Now let's talk about boards. Boards are going to be your higher level organizational tool. You can create as many boards as you want and name them whatever you want. for a bunch of different purposes. So if you're an agency, you could create boards for each client because you have the ability to share boards publicly so they can review and take a look at the ads that you're planning on use for their creative planning and all sorts of things. You can get super creative with that. So in the board, you're going to be able to see all the different ads that you've saved. For example, I'm still using the direct consumer board that we have here, and you can see all the ads that have been saved. You can click into the ads as well, one of the ones that we just saved, and take a look at all the details. Once we go back to the board, what you can do also is create folders within boards to further organize what you've been finding. So you can create a folder, name it whatever you want. So this could be uh, a folder within the direct consumer board, create that, and now you can go ahead and just drag and drop whatever ads you want into that folder. So you can also share specific folders as well. So you can go ahead and just drag that in there because that's a supplement. This is also a supplement. This is also a supplement. So once they're all in there, you go ahead and click that, and you're going to be able to see those ads that you dragged into that folder within that folder itself. So those that are there, you can click share, get that link, and send it over to anybody that you want to take a look at that board specifically. Now let's talk about commenting. Commenting is going to be one of the most useful features within GetAds because this is what allows you to collaborate with other team members, guests, and many other people. So once you're inside of an ad, you can go ahead and click it, scroll down to the comment section, and just tag whatever user you've invited in here. So let's send a message to Karina. We're going to be able to say, hey, we should create an ad like this for client ABC. Go ahead and send that. She's going to receive a notification, and you're going to be receiving, a comment whenever she replies back. Since we're in here, let's talk about tags. Tags are a useful feature that you're going to be able to use to organize further with different items. So let's take a look at this ad. Motion, more motion over here. So let's say we like the motion about it. You just go ahead and put motion tag, maybe another one because it's got, colorful or something like that. You can just add tags to further organize your ad creatives as well. Now let's talk about some cool functionalities within the app. Let's say you're looking for a creative and you just can't remember, a specific, maybe what board you saved it to or something like that, but you know that it's in there, or maybe a specific brand. One of my favorite brands, I can't seem to find the ad right now, so I'm going to look for it. So we're going to go ahead and click on here, ASRB, and there's all the ads that I've saved from ASRB. You can also use it to find other items. So let's say, assessment, and these are all different assessment ads that we've been able to find as well. So you can use the search functions in a way that allow you to quickly search for something that you're looking for that you're not really sure where you found it, or just in general, you want to search for something, you just hit the search bar and type in whatever keyword you're looking for, and it's going to be able to pull that up for you. On top of being able to search within the search bar, you can also filter your dashboard results with a couple of different options. So if you're in here, you can go ahead and take a look at all these different options. Let's say, we want to do last added, descending, or ascending order. Let's go descending. So we're going to see the first ones, the last ones we saved in here. And then if we go to ascending, you're going to see basically the first ad you ever saved in here. This is going to be compatible with whenever we launch the feature where you're able to see the ads from everybody, as well as we're working on different filters and search functionalities that are going to make it a lot easier to filter and look for things within your application as well. And that about wraps up our tour, highlighting GetAds' standout capability for seamless collaboration with your team and guests. But hold on to your hats. We're on the brink of unveiling thrilling new features, including AI innovations to enhance your ad creative planning, research, and overall workflow even further. We're eager to hear your thoughts. Your feedback is crucial in shaping GetAds into a tool that is not just useful, but one you're absolutely passionate about. Let us know how you feel and stay tuned for what's next. Thank you.